In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the file upload process on Google Drive. There are times when we accidentally start uploading a file or change our minds about the upload. Maybe you realize you are about to upload the wrong file, or perhaps you just want to halt the process due to a slow internet connection. Whatever the reason, knowing how to quickly and efficiently stop the upload can be a handy skill. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. Log in using your Google account credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you should see your Google Drive homepage. This is your hub where all your files are stored, and it's the starting point for our tutorial today. Now, on the left side of your Google Drive homepage, you'll notice a series of options, including one labeled New. Go ahead and click on this New button. This is the same button you'd use to start uploading a file, which coincidentally is going to help us understand how the stopping process works. After you click New, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled File Upload. This is the option you'd typically select if you were planning to upload a file from your computer to Google Drive. Click on File Upload as if you were going to proceed with uploading a file. Now, when you click on File Upload, a file selection window will pop up. This is where you would normally choose a file from your computer to upload. For today's exercise, you can choose any file. It doesn't matter which one because the next step is where the magic happens in stopping the upload. After selecting a file, you'll notice that Google Drive starts the upload process almost instantaneously. At this point, it's important to pay attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a small upload dialog box pop up displaying the file name along with the upload progress in percentages. Here's the crucial step. To stop this upload process, simply click on the cancel button located in that same upload dialog box. It's a small button, generally easy to spot, but you need to act relatively quickly. Clicking cancel will immediately halt the file upload process, allowing you to reconsider your next move without any hassle. And there you have it, you've successfully stopped the file upload process on Google Drive. It's a simple yet effective method to have in your digital toolkit, ensuring you maintain control over your file uploads. Remember, you can always restart the upload if needed, but having the ability to stop it empowers you to manage your files seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other helpful tutorials for more tips and tricks.